everyone, my name is Obapa Skinny and you are all welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a requested video from most of you. Last week I made a video about skin whitening fruit soap, which most of you asked me to turn it into a bar soap, and that is what I'm going to do today. It's so easy to do. We are going to use the same ingredient. The only difference is that we are going to use sodium hydroxide to make the bar soap. Because when you are making bar soap, you need sodium hydroxide, not potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide is used to make liquid soap or soft soap like the video I made last week. So this video, that's the only difference that we are going to do. So it's going to contain the same fruit and the same powders, and you are really going to like this video. This soap really works well. It can remove blemishes, dark spots, like acne, pimples and the rest, and skin rashes, and it's really whitening the skin very well if you use it twice in a day. And this soap that we are going to make is so easy. If you have all the ingredients available, you are ready to go. So let's start formulating this recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, share my videos, and leave me a comment. And if you have any requested video you want me to make, please let me know, and I'm ready to do that for you.
I'm calling this soap instant whitening soap because a subscriber sent me an email that when she used the last week's soap we made, her skin glow instantly, and I'm really happy to hear that. So I'm using papaya and mango. All you need to do is to remove the skin of your papaya and mango, remove the seed from it, blend and take the measurement that you need for the soap. It's so easy. I will leave the recipe down in the description box so that you can look for it and make yours. It's so easy. And I'm using the same powder, that's the goat milk powder, turmeric powder, papaya leaf powder. I have a lot of powder. I will leave it down there so that you can make yours. I'm also using pure honey and fragrant oil. You can use essential oil if you really want to. I like the scent of my fragrant oil, but essential oil too, you get the benefits from it. And I'm using my sodium hydroxide and my distilled water. Sorry for the blur because my camera wasn't clear that time. Also, I'll be using palm oil, coconut oil, olive oil, and a little shea butter because I really need my skin to be moisturized. And these oils are hard oil, the coconut oil, the shea butter, and the palm oil. You have to add your mango puree and your papaya puree to your oils first, because we are going to stir and blend it so that everything will blend. So as I was saying, that three oil, shea butter, coconut oil, and palm oil is hard oil. We have to work faster because the soap is going to trace faster. So this one you need to work faster, otherwise your soap can spoil. So you don't have to be slow. We will add our powders to our soap, and these powders are really good for skin. It will remove blemishes, that's spots, clear rashes. Also really going to help make your skin glow and the same time whiten your skin. We have rice powder in it. You can switch the powders to your own powders. Maybe you have kojic acid powder, you have giga white powder in the red, but if you are going to use kojic acid powder, you need to dissolve it in water before you can add it to it. That's warm water. What I will do next is to blend my powders into my oils. I want everything to mix well, and the fruit too into the oils, everything to mix well. And this one I didn't take the temperature. I'm using cold processed method. Like I don't need to take the temperature of the oil. I didn't heat the oil. The reason is that the lye solution, when I mix, is going to shoot up to 200 degrees and more. So that temperature can help work the soap, like can help with the soap. So there's no need for me to warm my oils. I'll add my honey, and I'm using pure honey, which is very good for skin. That's the reason why I'm using it. And one problem with this soap is that this soap traces very fast, and because of the fruit in it and the honey, they contain sugar. The fruit contains sugar and honey contains sugar, so the soap will be overheated, and when it overheats, the top of the soap is going to crack. So when it's cracked, it's normal. Nothing have changed in the recipe. It's still going to work. But that's the only problem. Your soap top will crack. And I was shooting this soap early in the morning because I was having class at 9 a.m. with somebody who have traveled all the way from the northern region of Ghana, that's Tamale, for class. So I couldn't shoot the part that the soap top was cracking. So sorry for that, but I will show you how the soap crack after it hardened. I will show you the impact. What we are doing now is dissolving or mixing our lye. That's our sodium hydroxide with our distilled water. Always add your sodium hydroxide to the distilled water. Never add the water to the sodium hydroxide. Mix well for it to dissolve. What we are going to do next is to add our lye solution to our oil that we have mixed and still blend so that it will trace well or emulsify well. So we are mixing it well. So this soap, when you are making it, you have to make sure that your soap mold is ready. So add your fragrance oil and mix again. So what you are going to do, your soap mold is ready because it traces very faster. So if you don't make your soap mold ready and you decided that, oh, I have to, let me go and take my soap mold, the time you come, it will become so thick that when you pour it, something it won't pour. So pour your soap mixture into your soap mold. You can use any soap mold of your choice. Any soap mold. We have different soap mold that you can use. What you do is when you pour it into your soap mold, you tap it so that the soap can level up. Let me say, I don't know how to level well. Make sure you scrub your pan so that all the soap can go into your mold. What I'm going to do next is to design the top of my mold. Sorry, the top of my soap. And it's not compulsory to design the top of your soap. Just that it's fun to design it. It's attractive for me, but it's not compulsory. And this soap worked very well. Very, very well. The problem with this soap is that you have to let it sit for 4 weeks before you can use it because there is still lye inside. Lye is the sodium hydroxide, so it's still acidic inside. By 4 weeks time, there will be no lye inside, so you can use it. That's the only difference between the soft soap, because the soft soap you can use it immediately, but this soap you can't use it immediately. So this is my soap. I'll let it sit down for 24 hours before I unmold it. So as it was sitting there, it was overheating and the soap was coming up, and later it went down. So this is the crack that I got after it hardened. This is the crack, and nothing have changed. The soap is still going to work, just that because of the sugar and the honey that caused that. So don't worry, it's still going to work on your skin the same way the soft soap is going to work on your skin. Let's unmold our soap and cut it and see how beautiful this soap turned up. You can use any soap mold of your choice. So please, I will leave the recipe down the description box. When you don't know where to find the description box, under the video, most people will ask me, you didn't put up the recipe. All my videos, I give recipe. Those who have been watching my videos know that I give recipe. I'm not like the other people who just make video and they don't give you recipe. I give all my video, I give recipe. Just go under the video and click under the description box. You will find the recipe measurement there. The soap looks so beautiful. Don't mind my soap cutter, it's spoiled. Some of the wires has removed because I have been teaching soap making. I have been cutting soap, and the soap wires spoiled. But I have ordered a new soap cutter, so soon you will see it in some of my videos. I decided to give it a little stamp of design. So if you are selling it, you can make your own name or your logo and stamp it on your soap. This is not my logo, it's just for fun. So I just stamp it on it to look beautiful. He said, I just make this for you because you are priceless. Yes, it's true. All of you are priceless. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share my video, and leave me a comment. And don't forget to cure this soap for 4 weeks before you use it.